In this video, I will show you how to check if a year is a leap year in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some dates in this column. Now I want to check whether these years are leap years. If the year is a leap year, I want a true value in this column, and if it is not a leap year, I want a false value. I will use the Excel year, month and date functions to check if February month of the specified year has 28 days or 29 days. If the year has 29 days in February, it is a leap year, otherwise it is not. I will use the Excel date function to create the date of 29th February. The date function returns the date based on the specified year, month and day values. For example, this date formula will return the date 1st January 2024. If we specify the day value that is greater than the last day of the month, the date function automatically increases the month value. For example, in this date formula, I have specified the month value as 1 and the day value as 32. However, the month of January has only 31 days. So the date function automatically returns the next day, that is 1st February 2024. I am going to create a date of 29th February of the specific year and then get the month value of the return date. If the year is a leap year, the month value will be 2, otherwise it will be 3 for March. So let's type an equal sign to start the formula. Now type date followed by an opening bracket. I will use the year function to extract the year from the specified date like this. Type a comma, then type 2 as the month value argument. Type a comma and then type 29 as the day argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, the date function returns the date 1st March for the years that do not have 29 days in February. For the leap years having 29 days in February, it returns the date 29th February of that year. I will use the month function now to extract the month from these dates and then compare it with the month number of February, which is 2, like this. Let's copy the formula to other cells. As you can see, we got true values for the years which are leap years and false values for the years which are not leap years. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.